In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Now, earlier we had the toss and Great Start Academy won and decided to send Jessie Ripoll primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Jessie Ripoll. Bible knowledge, which of his sons did Jacob describe as a lion's whelp?
A lion's whelp. Judah.
That's right. Bible knowledge, great start. Moses sent 12 spies to Canaan, but only 2 came back with a report that Israel could conquer the land. One was Joshua. Who was the other?
Other spy who came back.
Aaron.
Incorrect, Caleb. Jessie Ripoll's science, a second-class lever, is a simple machine where the load is positioned between which 2 parts?
The fulcrum and the effort.
That's correct. Science, great start. Between which parts of a third-class lever is the effort located?
Between the fulcrum and the load.
That's correct. International affairs, a visual question for you. Jessie Ripoll, look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Peru.
Incorrect, it's Austria. Great start. International affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Andorra.
That's correct. English language, Jessie Ripoll, spell complicit, which means to be party to an action.
COMPLICIT.
That's correct. English language, great start. Spell inundate, which means to flood.
INUNDATE.
That's correct. Television, a visual question, Jessie Ripoll. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Marlon Morgan.
Incorrect. Wesley Snipes. Great start. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the actor.
Maurice Chestnut.
That's correct. General knowledge, Jessie Ripoll. Dick Cheney was vice president for which U.S. president?
Bill Clinton.
Incorrect. George W. Bush. General knowledge. Great start. Al Gore was vice president for which U.S. president?
Al Gore. Yes.
Wait, come.
Donald
Trump.
Incorrect. Bill Clinton.
Next one.
Jessie Ripoll. Social studies, in which parish in Jamaica is the Knowles Mountain?
Have that.
Saint Catherine.
Correct. Great start. Social studies, in which parish in Jamaica is the Paradise Mountain?
Westmoreland.
That's correct. Music, a visual question, Jessie Ripoll. Look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Charlie Puth.
That's correct. Music, a visual question, great start. Look at the monitor and identify this producer.
Benny.
Benny Goodman.
No.
Benny Goodman.
Incorrect. Benny Blanco. Jessie Ripoll, mathematics. At a school, there is 1 boy to every 6 girls. If there are 168 students in the school, how many are girls?
We have that. All right. 4.
Incorrect. Would you like to... 144 is the answer. Mathematics, great start. It's time for your question. At a camp, 5 out of every 8 campers are girls. If there are 39 boys at the camp, how many total campers are there?
Give it that.
13.
Incorrect. 104.
Right.
Jessie Ripoll,
Next.
sports. Who won the women's 400 meters at the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo?
Men's 400 meters. Julian Alfred.
Incorrect. Sydney McLaughlin. Great start. Sports. Who won the silver medal in the men's long jump at the 2025 World Athletics Championships in Tokyo?
Let's go with James Beckford.
Incorrect. It's Tajay Gale. And we don't have time for any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Great Start Academy on 5 and Jessie Ripoll Primary also on 5, so it's a tie. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Make sure to get outside and enjoy nature. Fresh air and a change in scenery can help recharge your mind, and that recharge is always good. Thanks for that tip, Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.